Wait.
Yeah. So
Okay.
I think just do until we're...
All right. Here we are again. Cooking. We haven't done this in a while.
Yeah.
Red beans. Azuki beans. Azuki beans are used for making red bean paste, either chunky or smooth. And then you can use it in ice cream. Or red bean buns, or
Mochi,
or red bean danishes, or yeah. Well, I just had that thought that it could be a cool idea, but and then what else?
soup, the red bean.
Oh yeah,
soup.
red bean soup. And in this household, we have done it once before, and I was reminded of that, and I just wanted to share the experience of making it with you today. So we have, so far, we soaked the red beans for a whole day.
Because we didn't want to get to it. The first day.
We were tired. And we pressure cooked them for how long?
I think you did that. I don't know.
I just said pressure cook.
20 minutes or something, I think.
Yeah. And then we took it out and we drained it.
And then now it is here.
And then here we are. We put it in the fridge. So we're slowly making our way towards Azuki bean everything. All right, now we are going
100 hours to one recipe.
Now we're going to, it's actually part of the process.
Right.
So the thing about the Azuki beans is that traditionally you use a 1-to-1 weight ratio of beans to sugar. And that just doesn't seem quite right. So we are going to use a 1 to 1/2 bean ratio.
We'll start with that, and then if it's not enough, we can add more.
Yeah, we're trying not to over sugarify things. We could also use it as like the pumpkin butter, red bean butter.
I mean, the red bean paste. Yeah.
Yeah, so just spread the paste on, right?
Yeah.
That sounds good. Okay, so what do we do next?
So pretty much all we do is we put it in a pot and add half the sugar, and then mix the sugar in, add the other half of the sugar, mix that in, add the salt, and then if you're doing the soup, you don't really need to do it too much longer, but if you're doing the paste, then you want to like drag the spoon through the middle and see if it holds that line that you drew. If it caves in quickly, then it's not ready, but if it holds it, then it's thick enough.
Is the soup a cold soup or a hot soup?
I am not sure.
Okay, so could we get it started, have some soup for dinner?
It's not dinner, it's a dessert.
Dessert.
It's sweet.
That's right, you keep telling me that.
Yeah.
It just says soup, you know. All right. All right, let's do it. We need a big pot.
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
are we doing all of it right now, or?
How did you do it last time?
I just did all of it. But if we want to do soup, then I figure we should do that separately.
Okay.
Also, I don't know. There's no water. I mean, there must be because they say to drain it.
Yeah.
But like, I just don't see how you get any soup out of that. But anyway.
But you did it before, didn't you?
I don't really know.
Oh,
I don't
okay.
know.
All right.
I don't remember.
2 pots. 2 pots?
You want to do both right now, or you want to just do?
Well, it won't really go with spaghetti, huh?
Again, it's a dessert. It doesn't matter.
Okay. Let's do half.
Okay.
And then we can do the soup tomorrow.
If we want, yeah.
And
Well, so we'll just do the paste right now.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay, measuring out the zuki beans. And we're trying to see how much is 200 grams. But we're probably going to scale it.
Not very much.
Yeah, we have a lot of beans.
That's already over.
Yeah, so let's do like triple the recipe.
I think I did like at least 1,000 or something last time. I might have done it in multiple batches. I don't remember.
I think you
So I did a
did.
full bag.
I think I remember we had the beans for a long time.
We did. We did. There's a lot of paste. Next time we probably should just cook half of the beans.
That might be a thought.
It's a lot. Otherwise, yeah.
I just remember it kept going.
Yeah, I made a huge batch of oatmeal or rice porridge with it.
Oh
To try to
boy.
use it up. It's good.
Okay, so 4 times.
Okay. So
5 times. That's 4 times. 87. 96. Okay, you're almost at 5 times.
We're going for 1,000.
I suppose. You're almost there. Okay, 5 times the recipe.
Well, it's just 1 to 1, so I mean, I guess the salt, but like that's whatever. Okay, so this is
That's
over
that's
1,000.
good. Call it 1,000.
So I think let's put it as much in here as we can. If you have any extra, let's put it in there.
Okay. We filled up the thing, and then we're at 1,400. So 7 times recipe.
Yeah.
1,459 grams. Okay. So we have 1,460 grams of Azuki beans. So we're going to put 730 grams of sugar.
I guess so.
Okay.
Sounds like a lot.
So 730 plus 1,460. Brown or white?
Let's do white. If
Okay.
we need to, we can do brown, but
So 730.
yeah. This whole thing is 1,800 kilograms.
It might not have enough.
1,800 grams. Yeah.
Wow.
It's like half of this thing. Oh, this is hard too.
You might need a bigger pot.
You want to try less? I don't know.
No, use this. Use this
What? Just to what? Press down or?
to manage it. Yeah.
So we're gonna do half at first,
Yeah.
which is
730.
730 for 65. Right. Wait, no, 365.
730.
365.
No,
We
it
do-
was
we-
1460.
We do half at first, so half of the 1/2 that we're doing.
Oh, okay, a quarter.
Right. No, we're doing a half amount of. We're only doing 730 grams total, right? Of sugar.
Is that what we're doing?
So the recipe calls for 1 to 1. We decided to do half to 1. Right?
Okay.
Right.
Yes.
So you add half of the sugar at first. You add half later.
Oh, okay. 730, so that's
365.
350, 365, yeah.
Okay. Oh boy, this is a lot.
Oh boy, oh boy.
Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy.
It's a lot of sugar.
What is that?
It's a lot of sugar.
A little too much, Mom.
I'm overdoing it.
A little too much sugar, yeah. Holy cow. I'm scared about that one. Oh.
Just let it go, yeah. Oh, you're almost there. 320, 330, 340, 350, 365. Perfect.
There we go.
Now we put it on the pot and we reduce it.
You mix the sugar in and then you add more sugar in after.
Do we need some salt?
They call for that after the second batch of sugar.
Okay. All right, here we go. Oh, this is from, I can put this in the sink.
I was going to say, you chose the wrong time to start it.
Wrong time to start what?
The recording, you can be there for a while.
It's okay. It's all part of the environment, the atmosphere, the hominess of it all. Yes, our burner's doing all these work. What was
They
it?
don't always work when we want them.
Okay, so mix it up, and then what?
And then when it's fully incorporated, you add the other half.
Okay, so we stand here the whole time mixing until it's fully incorporated?
And I'm just going to try to mix it evenly and then let it cook some.
Oh, okay. And will it, like, find more
So
water?
I think some water is going to, come out, and then
It'll get a
probably
little
help the sugar.
syrupy?
Yeah, maybe something like that.
How long
I don't
are we
think
going to
that
cook
thick.
it?
We didn't give a time. I forget, but probably like a couple tens of minutes. I don't know.
Okay.
Yeah, you can already see that it. You can't see the crystals really anymore.
Yeah, it's already cooking then.
Yeah, it's already getting softer.
So much fun!
Oh boy.
Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. I'm just gonna get that. Well, it depends what channel this goes to. It might be everybody gets it because nobody's gonna watch it.
Everybody who watches it will get it, which is nobody.
Yeah, just the editor.
Thank you.
Have you got any views on that channel yet?
Which one?
The cooking one?
You know, I haven't been focusing on that.
I know. Well, I forget I don't know if you paid attention at all to it or not.
Not really much.
Not much or not at all?
Is it the vegan cooking?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh.
Because last time I remember, there were like no videos.
And put it on. I'll go check. You know, I bet that, sometimes they...
I'll have at least one view by now.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put a link to that channel on this video.
Oh, this is going on Squigglemom.
Yeah, are you kidding?
No, I figured it would go on the cooking one.
It'll go on that too in a different form. Maybe I'll cut it differently. Or cut it with other Japanese cooking things. Or something. Or just make it 2 minutes.
Oh, there we have it.
Okay, so we wait.
Yeah.
20 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. Ha! Just kidding.
Alright, so now there's a lot of water. Now the goal is to get rid of all that water. You can see it evaporating, of course.
Now, if we had the soup, we would just eat it this way?
Something like that, yeah.
Okay.
But
Alright, evaporating more.
yeah, so
So you can draw something through and it sticks.
yeah, so you can obviously see it's way too liquidy to do that, so
Keep on going.
yeah.
Testing the beans.
Alright, they're getting much closer.
I think that's it.
No, it would go more.
No?
This, I mean, you can see this is still like very liquidy, right? We want it to be more like pumpkin butter, like you were saying, right? It's gonna be a thick thing, because it'll like literally, it will not.
Okay, well you need to scrape the bottom because it's feeling a little thick.
Yeah. We should also taste it to see if we want to add more sugar.
Okay.
We didn't add salt yet either, right? So we should do that too. Let's do the salt first and then we can taste it.
Kosher salt?
Yeah. Yeah.
How much?
Let me look it up. Yeah.
Half a tablespoon per portion.
No, half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon times 7, which is 7 teaspoons, which is
1 tablespoon.
And
Wait, 7. No.
7 half a teaspoons, which is 3.5 teaspoons.
Yeah, so that's going to be 1 tablespoon.
Uh-huh.
And 1/2 of a teaspoon.
You sure about that?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm kidding.
It's easy. Easy maths.
So 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon?
Yeah, a little more. 3 teaspoons in a tablespoon. Oops.
Oops, dot. Oh, you just messed it up.
Yeah.
Alright.
And then we mix it in.
Mix it in.
And we'll try it.
Mix in a lot.
Might have been a better idea to mix it in earlier with more water. So that
Probably.
It would yeah.
The taste test.
It's kind of a lot.
How would we reuse this spoon?
Well, then I can just. I guess it doesn't matter the first time. Whatever. All right. We might want it to cool a little bit. Yeah,
Don't hurt my mouth. There it is, folks. The first test.
Oh, there we go. It's holding shape. You see.
I see.
How's the taste?
A little salty, a little sweet.
You think more sugar is needed?
Taste.
Okay. That's fine for me.
Okay, I'm good.
You don't want more sugar?
No, I don't need it.
Yeah, so it would be a lot more sweet and conventional if you had more sugar, but
It'd be like 4 times more sugar.
it would be 4 times more sugar.
That's crazy, huh?
Yeah.
The salt does give it a little bit of a
Yeah, the salt definitely does.
different flavor, but I'm good with it. All right, so that's it. We just turn it off, and then what?
And then we can use it as a paste in
On bread?
red bean buns. Yeah, on bread.
Maybe we'll try to make some buns tomorrow.
We can do a sourdough discard red bean buns I saw.
All right. Okay, sounds good.
But let's just start with the classic dorayaki. No, I forget something.
Classic recipe.
Something yaki.
Okay, I'll go for that. I
right.
can go for that.
That's it.
Okay.